Mobile gaming enthusiasts, prepare to meet your new ultimate weapon, the REDMAGIC Nova Gaming Tablet. This isn't just another Android tablet with gaming pretensions, it's a no-compromise portable gaming system that redefines what tablet gaming can be, launching July 1st with prices starting at $499. The Nova packs desktop-caliber gaming performance into a sleek 7.3mm thin chassis that weighs just 530 grams, lighter than most hardcover books, but infinitely more powerful. Before we dive into full review, your support fuels our review. Subscribe for more. At the heart of this beast lies something truly revolutionary: the world's first implementation of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version chip in a tablet form factor. This isn't just a minor spec bump. We're talking serious processing muscle, with the CPU screaming along at 3.4 GHz and the Adreno GPU hitting 1 GHz frequencies. Combined with cutting-edge UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X memory, this hardware configuration delivers performance that rivals many gaming laptops. But raw specs only tell part of the story. What really matters is how this translates to actual gaming. Titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and Fortnite run at maximum settings with buttery smooth frame rates that stay consistently high even during intense combat scenes. The Nova doesn't just play mobile games, it absolutely demolishes them. The stunning 10.9-inch display is equally impressive. With a crisp 2.8K resolution, 2880 by 1800 pixels packed into a 16:10 aspect ratio, everything from game textures to streaming content looks pin-sharp. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth animations and gameplay, while the insane 840Hz touch sampling rate gives you near-instant response to your inputs, crucial for competitive shooters where milliseconds matter. At 550 nits peak brightness, the screen remains clearly visible even in outdoor conditions, and SGS certification means reduced blue light emissions for more comfortable extended gaming sessions. What really sets this display apart is how all these elements work together. The high resolution, rapid refresh rate, and ultra-responsive touch create an experience that feels closer to a high-end gaming monitor than a typical tablet. Cooling is where the Nova truly innovates. While other tablets throttle performance as they heat up, the Nova fights back with an actual 20,000 RPM turbo fan, the first ever in a tablet, visible through its striking transparent back panel. This isn't just for show either. The fan works in concert with a massive 103mm x 9.3mm 3D heat pipe to 9 layers of advanced cooling materials, including superconducting copper foil and aerospace-grade aluminum. Together, this ice-to-point-zero cooling system covers nearly 90,000 square millimeters of surface area, keeping critical components up to 25 degrees Celsius cooler than conventional tablets. The result: sustained peak performance without thermal throttling, even during marathon gaming sessions. The innovative 3D internal circulation air duct design not only improves cooling efficiency by 30%, but also reduces dust buildup and operating noise, a thoughtful touch that shows REDMAGIC's attention to detail. Powering all this is a massive 10,100 mAh dual-cell battery that delivers up to 18.7 hours of mixed usage, enough for cross-country flights or all-day gaming marathons. When you do need to recharge, the included 80W fast charger can take the Nova from empty to full in just 55 minutes. That's impressive enough. But the real magic happens with the charging optimization that reduces battery degradation over time, a feature usually reserved for premium smartphones. The Nova also supports bypass charging, allowing you to power the tablet directly while gaming to reduce heat and battery wear. The transparent back panel isn't just for looks, though it certainly makes the Nova stand out from the sea of black rectangles. This lens-grade glass window showcases the premium internal components while contributing to the cooling system's effectiveness. Customizable RGB lighting adds that signature gaming flair, with multiple zones that can be individually controlled through the REDMAGIC GameSpace software. The all-metal frame and integrated anodized back cover give the Nova a premium feel that's both sturdy and surprisingly lightweight at just 530 grams, about 100 grams lighter than an iPad Pro. Audio performance matches the visual spectacle, with for symmetrical speakers delivering DTS-X Ultra surround sound that creates genuine 3D spatial audio. Whether you're listening for enemy footsteps in competitive shooters or enjoying movie soundtracks, the audio quality surpasses anything else in the tablet market. Dual 0815 vibration motors add tactile feedback that enhances immersion, while 3 built-in microphones ensure crystal-clear voice chat. Surprisingly capable cameras round out the package. A 50MP rear shooter and 20MP front camera outperform most gaming-focused devices. These aren't just afterthoughts either. The cameras support 4K video recording and advanced features like HDR and night mode, making the Nova viable for content creation and video calls. The REDMAGIC Game Space 9.5 software provides deep customization options, from performance tuning to accessory control. You can create different performance profiles for various games, adjust touch sensitivity on the fly, and even monitor system temperatures in real time. The Nova plays nicely with REDMAGIC's ecosystem of gaming accessories too, including keyboards, mice, and gamepads that transform it into a portable gaming workstation. Available in 12GB plus to 56GB and 16GB plus 512GB configurations, the Nova bridges the gap between smartphones and gaming laptops. It's powerful enough for serious gaming, portable enough for daily use, and packed with enough innovative tech to satisfy even the most demanding mobile gamers. The transparent design, visible cooling system, and customizable RGB lighting make it a conversation starter, while the desktop-level performance ensures it's far more than just a pretty face. For competitive gamers, the Nova offers tangible advantages: the ultra-responsive display, thermal headroom for sustained performance, and precision controls can genuinely improve your gameplay. For casual players, it delivers a premium experience that makes every game look and feel its best. And for tech enthusiasts, it represents an exciting evolution of what Android tablets can achieve when designed specifically for gaming. At $499 for the base model, the REDMAGIC Nova undercuts many premium tablets while offering significantly better gaming performance. When you consider the innovative cooling system, stunning display, and desktop-caliber chipset, it becomes clear that this isn't just another Android tablet. It's a dedicated gaming machine that happens to have tablet form factor for mobile. Gamers tired of compromises, the Nova might just be the perfect portable powerhouse they've been waiting for. At the end, I just want to say, your support fuels our review. Subscribe for more.